A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So, let's start the topic. So, today's topic is blood supply of brain and spinal cord. So coming to the next topic, that is the internal carotid artery. As this internal carotid artery is the chief artery or the one of the major artery which supplies the blood to the brain, as it arises from the common carotid artery in the neck, which is entering into the head at the skull base via the carotid canal and terminates at bifurcation into the anterior cerebral artery and the middle cerebral artery. The extracranial segment of the internal carotid artery is from the origin of the internal carotid artery to the skull base, as this is shown in the diagram. And the intracranial segment of the internal carotid artery is divided into petrous, cavernous, and supraclinoid portions. So continuing our topic, that is the internal carotid artery, it exists upon the cavernous sinus, and this artery extends through the meninges to become the supraclinoid segment. As the supraclinoid segment or the cerebral internal carotid artery bends posteriorly and laterally between the third cranial nerve, that is the oculomotor cranial nerve, and the second cranial nerve, as this is the optic cranial nerve. This supraclinoid or cerebral arteries has several branches, as starting from the first branch, that it is having the branch to the superior hypophyseal perforators to the anterior pituitary and stalk, and the second is the posterior communicating artery, which is denoted by PCOA, and the third branch is the anterior choroidal artery, which is denoted by the ACHA, and which supplies the choroidal part, and the last one is the bifurcating of these arteries into the anterior communicating arteries and the middle cerebral arteries. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care.